In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a way in which you can actually earn $5,000 per week. If this is something that you're interested, please keep watching this video. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently. I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how you can actually earn $5,000 per week online. And something, guys, this is actually really important. This is not like a magical solution. You need to watch the entire video. You need to be consistent. And there's some key concepts that you need to understand. And I'm going to be explaining them in this video. Let me share with you my screen because I want to make sure that we're actually on the same page. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be talking about how to start an online business. Here, I actually make a mistake here. Well, how you can start an online business to make $5,000 per week. Okay. Remember, this is not something magical. So you need to understand that, first of all, success is a decision. Okay. Success is a decision. It's something that you decide that you will do whatever it takes to make it happen, that you're going to have a commitment with yourself. You have a commitment with your success, and you are going to be avoiding the shiny object syndrome. I know there is a lot of opportunities out there to make money online. This is actually based in my experience, and I have been doing this since 2018, and I was able to replace two full-time jobs. Okay, so this is definitely something that it works, but the only reason why I actually make it happen is because first, I learned. Second, I did a shift in my mindset and I make the decision that I will make it happen. Okay. Something really important here is that I'm going to explain you some concepts, but you need to understand this concept if you're willing to be successful. Okay. If you're really to be successful, you need to understand these key concepts. First of all, there is something that we call a niche. Okay. These are the top 3 niches online and maybe on live in general speaking. Okay. But online, the top 3 niches are health, wealth, and relationships. Diana, does this mean that I cannot make money online if I'm not on those niches? No. But let me explain you this. Okay. I want you to understand this. People are looking to solve problems. Okay. People are looking to solve problems. And if you're providing a solution that solves a problem, they're willing to pay money. In these 3 niches, people are really looking to solve the problem. It's not a benefit thing. It's actually a need. Okay. It's actually a need. For example, if you're having some issues with your health, you are looking to be healthy. Okay. There is no other option. You are going to be looking to be healthy. Okay. If you have some money problems right now, maybe you have some debts, maybe there is a goal that you want to reach, you're going to find a way to earn some extra money. If you have some problem in your relationships, this can be relationship with your son, with your daughter. It can be a relationship with your spouse. Maybe it can be, your internal relationship with yourself. You're having doubts. Okay. You have a lack of self-esteem. You are going to look for the solution. And people, generally speaking, these actually include myself, we are looking to be okay. We are looking to be happy. So we are actually willing to spend money because we understand that this is an investment in order to be happier. Okay. In order to solve our problems. Okay. So this is the reason why these are the top 3 niches. Okay. Again, that doesn't mean that you cannot make money with other niches, but you need to understand that people are looking to solve problems. They're willing to invest because they want to be happier. So another key concept here is that you need to have an offer. Okay. You need to have an offer. And this is key. You need to own the customer. Okay. The offer needs to solve these people problem. but you need to own the customer. Okay. This is a business. As a business, you need to own the customer. That's the reason why people or actual businesses are growing. Okay. Because they own the customer. They have an offer, and you can have more than one offer because you need, and you're going to learn that you need to have something that is called a value ladder. Okay, let me explain. These two concepts are together. Okay. Okay. First, what is a value ladder? Okay. It's going to be something like this. Okay. This is just for illustration purposes. Maybe you're giving away something for free, some kind of information. Okay. Like this YouTube video. Okay. Then maybe you have a $7 product. Then maybe you have a $500 product. Then here you have 205, and okay, and maybe here you have I don't know, a 10K product. Okay, this is what we call a value ladder. So we are giving people more value. Okay, we are giving them more value, and they're going to be paying more money. Okay, before you are like, hey, who is going to be paying 10K? People. Okay, you need to understand here, there are people who are actually investing 50K, even 100K. If you are not offering these products, it's because you have a mindset problem. Okay, because yes, people are actually investing on this. There are people who really understand that they need to invest a little bit more in order to get the solution they want, because they already tried this and they're like, hey, I am already on this level. Okay, I don't want to go back. I need something more personal. Okay. I need maybe one-on-one coaching. Okay. Maybe I need to be with a mentor because I really need to scale my business. I really want to save my marriage. I really want to be healthier. Okay. Maybe I'm a high level executive and I cannot be, I'm traveling a lot. So I need to have more personal assistant. Okay. So if you don't understand this, it's because you have a problem with your mindset and you will need to work on that. Because if they're not buying the product from you, they're going to be buying it from someone else. Okay. So here it's a value ladder. People are getting more value, so they're investing more money. Okay. You're going to have an offer. Okay. For different people, you're going to have the offer, and you need to make sure, okay, that you are going to be owning the customer. What does that mean? That if you are not the one who created this product or service, okay, that means that if the person buy the $7 product, for example, you need to make sure that the company, the service provider, is going to be paying you for everything. Okay. It's going to be paying you for everything. So this is how actually you are going to be earning good money and building a profitable online business. By the way, guys, if you want to learn more about this in detail and you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. Okay, check the very first link in the description. And you can have more than one value ladder. Okay, I'm going to explain more about this in a moment. Okay, why? Because you also need to have a system in place. You also need to have a system in place. And this is actually how people are actually making money while they're asleep. Okay. Here, we already know that we are going to be, promoting a product or service that is going to be offering people solution. Okay. But we need to capture their name and email. Okay. Because people are not with their wallet right away, like, hey, I'm going to pay whatever you show me right now. No. Okay. Here you're going to have sending an email. Here you're going to have, let's say, the product page. And you're going to be sending them information. You're going to be reminding them about this product. You're going to be offering them value, but also you are going to be offering them other products and services. Okay. And here you can have another value ladder. Okay. Here you can have another value ladder. Okay. So this is literally how you can make this happen. How you can actually build this. Okay. There is a tool that I actually recommend. First of all, I'm using 3 tools. The reason why I'm using them is because I started with one, and then I moved to another. And there is another one that I'm actually recommending because I know it's actually beginner friendly. Okay. The tool that I actually use is ClickFunnels. If you want to give it a try, you can go ahead and do it. Okay. So you can create this system. I'm going to be leaving all the links below. Another tool that is actually working is the fact that you can do, okay, you can do email marketing with GetResponse. But there is an all-in-one marketing solution that I'm currently suggesting people to use, which is called System.io. System.io, it's an all-in-one marketing solution. System.io is a tool that you can actually start for free, and you can build this system and you can start doing emails. Okay. So this is actually, people, how you can actually make $5,000 per week, even more. Okay. Even more. There are people who are going to go with the $7 product, but remember that there are going to be others who are going to go with the $50,000 product because they really need to understand this. Okay. Chances are that you're going to get one of these per month. Even if you get it every other month, it's going to be a game changer on your online business. It's going to be a game changer on your life. But you need to believe that exactly this is possible for you. You need to take action. Okay. You need to have a commitment with your success. So if you're ready, want to do that, remember, check the very first link in the description with what is my #1 recommendation to make money online. And I see you guys on the next video.